So guys, I'm going to write an integral section.
Okay, we'll both sit down here.
Okay.
Okay, right, we are ready again.
Okay guys, let's read.
Hello, Rachel.
Hello.
Hello, Rachel.
Hello.
Oh my god, there's inconsistency in our data. Okay, what do we do now? This can be rectified using data writer problem.
So guys, I'm the writer. I'm going to access the critical section now. So I'm going to access the critical section. So I'm the only writer. So no other writer should be allowed to enter the critical section. So I'm making writer session as 0. Now I'm going to write in the critical section. Yes. Now I completed writing. Now I'll unlock the writer session. Back. So guys, I completed writing, so you can go and read now.
Okay, right. We'll do as you say.
I am one of the reader. I am going to read the data in critical section. Now I am closing the door because no one should interfere me while changing the mistake. So now the writer mode is unlocked. I am going to lock it. I have locked it because no other writer should modify the data while I am reading. I have increased the reader count because there is only one reader and that's me. Now I have opened the door because multiple readers can be allowed to access the data.
I'm the second reader, and I'm going to be accessing the critical section. Close this door, which is new text, because when I'm accessing the critical section, nobody should disturb me. Writer mode is already blocked, so I don't have to change. I'm going to be incrementing the reader count by 1. If I'm the second reader, I'm going to sit down and read. Now. I've opened this door now, which is the new text, because multiple readers can be allowed to read at once.
Hi, I am the writer. Now I am going to write down the critical section.
the writer mode is locked now, so I can't write now. I'll come up with some other.
So I have finished reading, so I am going home. I am taking the reader count to 1 because there is only one reader.
I've also finished reading, so I'm going to leave now. Close this door now. It's a new text. So when I'm making changes to the critical section, I should be disturbed. And the last reader, and I'm going to leave now. So there are going to be no reader inside the hall. So I'm going to reduce the reader count to 0. The writer mode is currently locked. After I read, there are going to be no readers inside, and the writers should be allowed to modify the critical section. So I'm going to unlock it. We'll change it into 1.
Hi guys, I am one of the writers, so I am going to write in the critical section. So I am going in. So I have closed this road because no other reader or writer should disturb me when I am writing. So I am going to write on the critical section. So before that, I have to change the writer is unlocked. So I have to lock it. So I am writing and I locked it. So now be patient, what is rubbish?
Hi, I'm the writer and I'm gonna write on the critical section. Oh no, it seems that some other writer is accessing on the critical section. I will come after some time.
So now I have finished my work. So I am going to unlock this writer. So any other reader can read. Writer can write in the critical section. So my job is done. Bye.